روضة ومدارس أكاديمية القادة الدولية International Leaders Academy. Hello my students. Our lesson for today is writing, class composition. Open your pupils book please on page 90. Pupils book, page 90. Do you remember? Hiawatha's journey to find Diganawida was long and dangerous. Look at the pictures. Talk about what Hiawatha did on his journey. Make notes. So, in this lesson, we are going to write Hiawatha's journey to find Diganawida. As you can see here, we have 4 pictures. We are going to make notes about each picture to talk about Hiawatha's journey. So, we have to make notes about each picture, and finally each picture we have to write a paragraph on it. To help you making notes easily, I'm going to ask some questions to you to make the notes. Okay, the answers for this question is going to be the notes that we are going finally to arrange them in paragraphs. So let's start with the first picture. الصورة الأولى. Let's start with the first picture. What did Hiawatha find in the first picture? What did Hiawatha find in the first picture? He found a cave, as you can see here. He found a cave. Okay, look here at the ground. What did he put in the cave? What did he put? He put his blanket down on the cave, on the ground, and what did he make? He made a fire. He made a fire as you see here. Okay, suddenly, what did he see? He saw a huge bear. Okay, where was it standing? It was standing at the front of the cave. What did Hiawatha do to save himself? Quickly, he picked up a burning branch from the fire. As you see here, he picked up a burning branch from the fire and waved at the bear. So, what did the bear do? It was scared of the fire and ran away. Okay, so that was about the first picture. Let's talk about the second picture. The second picture. On the next day, where did Hiawatha travel? As you see here, what is that? He traveled down a river. He traveled down a river, Nahar. Okay, how did he travel? How did he travel? He traveled on a log. This is called a log. This is called a log. He traveled on a log. Okay, the log floated on the water. Okay, and he went very fast. What did he use? What did he use to travel? He used a branch as a paddle. مجداف. He used a branch, غصن الشجرة, as a paddle. مجداف. Was it dangerous, as you see here in the picture? Yes, it was dangerous. How do you know that it was dangerous? Because the river flowed faster and faster. Then it became a waterfall. As you see here, it became a waterfall. Okay, where did the river fall down? Try to guess. Where did the water fall down? It fell down the side of the mountain because it became a waterfall. Okay, now let's talk about the third picture. What did Hiawatha have to cross? Here, as you see in this picture, Hiawatha had to cross something. What is that? He had to cross a narrow river. He had to cross a narrow river. How did he cross the river? Was there a bridge? As you see here, was there a bridge? No, there was no bridge. But there was what? As you see here, there was a tree. There was a tree. Where was the tree? The tree was lying across a ravine. The tree was lying across a ravine. Ravine means valley, wadi. How did he step? As we see here in this picture, Hiawatha stepped carefully onto the tree and walked slowly across. He didn't slip and fall. Okay, do you think that he reached the other side safely? Yes, he reached the other side safely. Okay, finally, the fourth picture. Later, look at these animals. What animals did Hiawatha see here? He see wolves. Okay, what do you think that the wolves, what did they do? What did the wolves do? They chased after him. They chased after him. What did Hiawatha have to do to escape from the wolves? He had to climb a cliff. This is a cliff. منحدر. This is a cliff. Hiawatha had to climb this cliff to escape from the wolves. Okay. Where were the wolves now? The wolves were below him. They tried to jump and bite his feet. Okay, because they chased him, they tried to bite his feet. How did he fight them and how did he save himself from the wolves? Hiawatha threw rocks. He threw rocks at the wolves and they went away. Now I'm going to show you the whole paragraphs and the story arranged into 4 paragraphs according to the notes that we have discussed together. Okay, here is the first picture and here is the second picture. Okay, here is the first one and here is the second one. Here is the first page, sorry, and this is the second page. This paragraph number 1 is for the first picture. Paragraph number 2 is for the second picture. And this one, paragraph number 3, is for the third picture. And finally, paragraph number 4, it begins with later is for the fourth picture. You can copy it in your notebook.